Today we have the 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. This vehicle has done just under 55,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access smartphone integration, navigation and radio, media, comfort, information, Mercedes Me and apps, and our vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim and get a good view of our sunroof.